Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be embellishing this wallet clutch, and this was purchased at Target. I got it online. It's from A New Day and it's called Green Marker, and it was retailing for $20, but I got it for $10 online, and I'm going to be embellishing the front flap. And this is the same brand as the previous bag that I designed that you all seem to love. Now, I'm really feeling green right now, so I wanted a small little wallet clutch to be able to embellish. And I'm going to be incorporating red stones, pink square stones, and then these garnet, and they have like a sheen over them, so they're a little different than the regular red ones here. But this is a beautiful pink with orange hues, which I used in the sunglasses that I designed a few months back. So I'll insert photos here, and then I'll also post the links below if you haven't seen the prior bag as well as the glasses. So if you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. So it'll go from this to this. So I thought that I'd create a bag that represents the colors of the season, since I'm really feeling green right now, and the combination of green and red. And I also wanted to incorporate pink because it really does pop, and you'll see once I'm completed what I'm talking about. You can't really see that these are garnet or red because of the lighting, but you will be able to see it in the light. The camera doesn't do these stones justice. The combination of this red and pink here is stunning. Okay guys, so all these beads are from Bead Factory in downtown LA. I will be posting links down below if you would like to take a visit to the store if you're in the LA area. Otherwise, they do have a website that you can check out. Okay guys, the next step is I'm going to add a large embellishment floating on top there. And I'm also going to be adding the insects, and these are brooches, which I'll be clipping the pins off the back to be placing them on the bag. Okay guys, so now that you've placed all the stones and the brooches, let this dry overnight. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and it is sparkly. It is very beautiful. The garnet and red stones with the green bag as the backdrop look very deep in saturation, and the color just looks beautiful with the pink stones as well. The insect brooches with the pearl detailing and the pink body here, that is just beautiful. It brings the design together. Then adding the final touch with the black beetle and this embellishment to hide the gold button underneath is just absolutely perfect. And if you open it, you have your wallet clutch there, and it assembles easily. So that is the finished product. I am absolutely in love with this little clutch. So if you like this bag, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.